everyone, welcome you all. How are you all? I wish you all are doing good. Before starting the next concept, I want to discuss some points with you all. This lockdown is the best time to revise your previous concepts. If you revise them properly, you will not face any kind of confusions or difficulties next year while studying mathematics. Seriously, this practice will help you a lot in future. So dear students, trust me and go ahead, and I know you will do that. Now back to our subject. Previously we learned how to find out HCF, that is highest common factors, isn't it? So today we are going to learn LCM, and that is least common multiple. So students, for this, first of all, you should know what is meant by common multiple. So students, when two or more number have the same number as their common multiple, those multiples are said to be common multiples. And what is least common multiple? The least common multiple, or LCM, of two or more number is the smallest number, that is the multiple of those numbers. Okay, so yes, we are going to find out least common multiple of the given numbers. So what will be the question? Find the LCM of 5 and 10. There are some steps to find out the LCM. And what are they? Let's have a look. Step 1. List the multiples of the given numbers. The given numbers are 5 and 10. So, the multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45 and so on. Then, likewise, the number 10. The multiples of 10 are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 and so on. So what are these? These are the multiples of 5 and 10. Now, step 2. Identify all the common multiples of the given numbers. Here we have two sets of numbers. One is multiple of 5 and another is multiple of 10. So what we are going to do? We are going to find out the common multiples from both these sets. So what are the common multiples? Yes, the common multiples of 5 and 10 equals to 10, 20, 30, 40 and so on. Now step 3. Write the least common multiple of the given numbers. Yes, we have the set of common multiples of 5 and 10. But with the help of this, what we are going to do? We are going to write the least common multiple. And what is least common multiple? Least common multiple is LCM. So the LCM is equal to 10. What is 10? 10 is the least common multiple of 5 and 10. So isn't it easy? Yes. For this you need to practice how to create a table, or you should know the tables properly. Okay, that will help you a lot. Now coming to the next topic. What is that? Yes, find out the LCM of 3 numbers. Yes, what are the given numbers? 6, 8 and 12. So yes, we have a table on a screen. We need to recall our steps, whatever we have discussed previously. Okay, so the given numbers are 6, 8 and 12. What was the first step? Yes, we need to write the multiples of given numbers, and that are number 6 have 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60 and so on. Number 8 has 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80 and so on. And number 12 has 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, 108, 120 as their multiples. Step 2 was we need to find out the common multiples. Here the common multiples are 24 and 48, and with the help of this, third step was we need to write the LCM, that is least common multiple, and that is 24. If you follow the steps carefully, you will easily find out the LCM of the given numbers. Okay. Now there is one another way to find out the LCM of given numbers, and that is prime factorization. So find the LCM of 24 and 36 by prime factorization. Here we have already studied how to find out the prime factorization in HCF also. So number 24 has its prime factors as 2 multiplied by 12. 12 is written as 2 multiplied by 6, and 6 is written as 2 multiplied by 3. Same like that, 36 is written as 2 multiplied by 18. 18 is written as 2 multiplied by 9. 9 is written as 3 multiplied by 3. So we have a set of prime factors for number 24 as well as number 36. So 24 has their prime factor are 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3, whereas 36 have 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Here both the sets are having some common as well as uncommon factors. In 24, first factor is 2. Same like that, in number 36, the first factor is 2. Second, in both the sets, 2. These are the common. And the last one is 3 in 24 as well as 3 in 36. So, number 2, 2 and 3 are the common factors, whereas in number 24, the number 2 and in number 36 the number 3 are uncommon factors. So while finding out the LCM, we need to find out the product of common as well as uncommon factor. And how we are going to do that? Let's have a look. The LCM of 24 and 36, for that we need to first of all find out the product of common as well as uncommon factors. So 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3, which is equal to 72. So the LCM of 24 and 36 is 72. Okay. Here, what is the difference between HCF and LCM now? In HCF, we just have a product of common factors, but in LCM, we need to multiply the common factors as well as uncommon factors to find out the LCM. So always you should remember that. Okay. Now next, let's have a look. Yes, LCM by division methods. So we are going to find out the LCM of 12 and 80. Here 12 is divided by 2 will get quotient 6. When 6 is divided by 2 will get quotient 3, and if we divide number 3 by 3 we have 1. With this we complete the division of 12. Next, yes, we need to divide the number 20, and for that if we divide 80 by 2 we'll get 40 as a quotient. We divide 40 by 2 we'll get 20 as a quotient. If we divide 20 by 2 we'll get 10, and if we divide 10 by 2 we'll get 5, and if we divide 5 by 5 we'll get quotient as 1. So we have the factors for 12 are 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3, and the factors of 80 equals to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5. Okay, as we have discussed previously, common factors of 12 and 80. Let's have a look. The number are in bold and underline. These are the common factors of 12 and 80. And what are the common factors? 2 multiplied by 2. Whereas there are some uncommon factors also in number 12 and 80. And what are they? Yes, that are 3 in 12 and 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5 in 80. These are the uncommon factors. As we have discussed previously, while finding out the LCM, we need to multiply both common as well as uncommon factors. So, the LCM of 12 and 80 equals to common factors that are 2 multiplied by 2 and uncommon factors that are 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. So, yes, so this is the product of common as well as uncommon factor, and that is 240. So what is the LCM of 12 and 80 then? The number 240 is the LCM of 12 and 80. Okay, so these all steps you need to follow and practice it. Okay, so that will be easy for you. If you see the video and go for the revision worksheet, then it is easy to you to solve this question. So these are the question on related to this video. You need to solve that questions. If you have any difficulty, again go through the video, see it properly, follow it properly, and then again you need to solve it. Okay, so thank you students and have a nice day.